And so we have another thing that's been becoming more common is something called registered reports. And this sort of bypasses many of the problems that we've been discussing. So in a registered report, you have your methods and your proposed analysis. So the things that you think, okay, so these are the things I want to do with my data and this research. So you have those things. And you're actually going to write your methods and the proposed analysis and pre-register those, and then submit those things to the journal as a registered report. And the point is that you can find out what's wrong and get peer review early, so you can actually make changes and before you go ahead and collect the data. So the review process is two-staged. In general, so this is from this journal. It's a couple of years old, but maybe you can find out if it differs from what they have today. But this is a very general process. So in the first stage, the reviewers, the peer reviewers, they assess the study, so the analysis plan and the methods and all of that, and whether that's reasonable. And then the paper is given in principle acceptance. So it said that if you don't do something completely crazy, we will publish your paper if you follow this plan. And so you can go ahead and you can collect the data, and whatever results you get, they are now committed to publishing it. So we don't get get to this situation where you whether you get a p-value under 0.05 or not, so that would define whether your paper gets published. You get all the results published. So in that sense, for example, when you're doing a meta-analysis on registered reports, it's a very different thing than meta-analysis on just normal papers, because there is no publication bias or this filter that filters research reports based on whether they find something interesting or whether they don't.